Here are the top 7 most transformative abilities that can be expected from GPT-5 according to the logical progression of multimodality. So, how will the next iteration of the world's most popular artificial intelligence change the world? Number 1. Expanded multimodal understanding. GPT-5 is expected to excel in multimodal understanding, enabling it to process not only text and images, but also audio and video content. This sophisticated level of understanding would allow GPT-5 to analyze and generate contextually accurate transcriptions, translations, and summaries across various media formats, transforming our interaction with and consumption of content. Furthermore, one of the most fundamental transformations could be the advent of autonomously generative media. Imagine being able to create entire video games, movies, or 3D environments based on a text description or image concept or video sample, with the output being a fully produced, personalized, and immersive experience. All of this makes GPT-5's number 2 ability possible: interactive multimedia. GPT-5 could lead to a revolution in unique entertainment and media consumption, where GPT-5's potential to create interactive real-time media would allow things like video games and movies to have dynamic evolving storylines that change based on the viewer's interactions or search history, or even our mood and engagement, preferred content genre, or any other factor. This would offer a unique experience every time for the consumer, fostering endless possibilities for creativity and exploration, which could lead to an entire downstream market of second experience media. Consumers of AI-generated games and movies could share their experience on social media so that other users could have GPT-5 tailor a secondary experience to mimic the first. Instead of viral memes and videos, this would give rise to viral experiences. But what's slated to be much more transformative in your daily life is GPT-5's third ability, which is to power generally capable robots. GPT-5 could be the driving force behind enabling robots to operate in the real world with an impressive level of general intelligence. For instance, a home robot could cook an entire meal by using its multiple modalities to first see the ingredients available in the refrigerator, then ask you what you want based on these options. Next, it could interact with its environment to prepare the food in the most delicious and creative way possible based on the preferences of the user. With the proper robotic arms and manipulators, it could even wash the dishes, take out the trash, and perform other duties. Furthermore, if GPT-5 is attempting to perform a robotics task which is outside of its understanding, it could even use its fourth ability to figure it out: autonomous AI model development. Because GPT-5 will have a robust ability to generate across multiple modalities, it can also create its own artificial intelligence models to learn and accomplish new tasks. In addition to this, it may also be able to tie multiple AI models together, creating a greater intelligence than the sum of their parts. This ability to combine and integrate different AI systems would pave the way for unprecedented breakthroughs in artificial intelligence and possibly start a brand new intelligent version of the Internet that autonomously grows at an exponential pace, far exceeding the size and scope of the human-made Internet. This could lead to GPT-5's fifth ability, which would be its emergent power to predict potential future outcomes with greater precision than ever before by connecting more data points from more modalities. For instance, GPT-5 could have the capacity to autonomously create entire virtual worlds, complete with unique ecosystems, cultures, and histories, all based on a single input, problem, or goal. These virtual worlds could be used for immersive entertainment, education, or even as testing grounds for real-world solutions to pressing global issues. This would lead to the sixth ability of GPT-5, which would be the transformation of medicine, scientific research, business, and the human workplace as we know it. In medicine, GPT-5 could revolutionize diagnostics and treatment by analyzing vast amounts of medical data, including patient records, imaging scans, and genomic information, to identify patterns and develop personalized treatment plans. Its generative capabilities could be used to accelerate drug discovery, simulating the interaction of molecules and predicting their efficacy, reducing the time and cost of clinical trials. GPT-5 could also help in the development of telemedicine, allowing remote consultations and monitoring, making healthcare more accessible and efficient. In scientific research, GPT-5's powerful pattern recognition and data analysis abilities could enable researchers to make breakthrough discoveries across various fields. For instance, in climate science, GPT-5 could analyze satellite imagery, historical climate data, and complex models to predict the impact of climate change and suggest effective mitigation strategies. In particle physics, GPT-5 could help decipher the mysteries of the universe by analyzing data from particle accelerators like the Large Hadron Collider to identify novel particles and deepen our understanding of the fundamental forces governing the cosmos. It could then build the necessary AI models to work with these particles to create new technologies. In the realm of business, GPT-5's impact would also be far-reaching. From automating operations and optimizing supply chains to generating new business models, GPT-5 could revolutionize how organizations function and compete. For instance, GPT-5 could analyze market trends and customer preferences to develop targeted marketing strategies, or even generate new product ideas and marketing materials based on a company's existing portfolio and industry trends. In finance, GPT-5 could enhance trading algorithms, risk analysis, and fraud detection, plus integrate everything with the crypto world to provide compatibility across ecosystems. When it comes to the human workplace, GPT-5's influence would be even more transformative. By automating mundane and repetitive tasks, GPT-5 would free up human workers to focus on more creative and strategic endeavors. However, this shift may also necessitate a re-evaluation of job roles and workforce development to ensure that workers are equipped with the necessary skills to thrive in a GPT-5-driven world. This could lead to a greater emphasis on continuous learning, adaptability, and collaboration in the workforce with robots and AI systems. Finally, GPT-5's seventh ability could be to act as a personalized virtual assistant that seamlessly integrates with all aspects of our lives and demonstrates general intelligence across many domains. GPT-5-powered virtual assistants could be able to access and synchronize with an array of devices, including your car, phone, computer, robot, home appliances, and office equipment, creating a unified, intelligent ecosystem tailored to your needs. These AI assistants would not only simplify your work and personal life, but they could also learn and adapt to your preferences, habits, and goals, proactively assisting you in ways you wouldn't have thought of yourself. For instance, imagine having a single, all-knowing assistant that anticipates your needs, streamlines your daily tasks, and helps you achieve your ambitions, all while enhancing your experience with every device you interact with. GPT-5 could pave the way for a world where technology works in harmony with humans, elevating our lives to new heights of convenience and efficiency. Because many people are unaware that GPT-4 can already take an image of a PhD-level research paper and carry out its related calculus equations, they're also unaware of the level of GPT-5's likely intelligence and ability to generalize. What's more, OpenAI has already started working on GPT-5, and the exponential acceleration in this space means that they'll have to release it even sooner than most people expect in order to stay relevant. Basically, whatever most people are expecting from GPT-5 is probably a gross underestimate in comparison to what's actually coming. The only question that remains is whether you'll be prepared for GPT-5 or if the next leap in artificial intelligence will take you by surprise and transform the world without you.